Your phone feels hot, and that's not normal. Ignore this for too long, and you could damage your battery faster than you think. Most people don't worry when their phone gets warm. They assume it's normal. They assume it's just because of gaming or charging or using it too long. But here's the truth. Phone overheating can happen even when you're doing nothing extreme. And when it happens repeatedly, it slowly destroys your phone from the inside. Let's talk about what's really going on. Many people believe phones only overheat during heavy tasks like gaming or fast charging. But in reality, your phone can overheat during normal daily use. Scrolling social media, watching short videos, browsing the web, even just staying connected to mobile data. All of these seem harmless, but combined, they can quietly push your phone past its comfort limit. And the scariest part? Most of the work your phone does happens in the background, where you can't see it. Over time, overheating causes serious long-term damage. Your battery health drops faster, your phone becomes slower, apps start lagging, and eventually your phone's lifespan becomes much shorter than it should be. This isn't bad luck. This isn't random. This is your phone sending a warning. So what's actually causing the heat? The real problem isn't just what you're doing. It's how many things your phone is doing at the same time, without you realizing it. Let's break this down step by step. First, background apps. Many apps don't stop running when you close them. They keep syncing data, refreshing content, tracking your location, sending notifications. Each app uses a small amount of CPU power, but when dozens of them run together, your processor works non-stop and that creates heat. This is one of the most common causes of overheating that people completely ignore. Second, screen brightness. Your screen is one of the biggest power consumers on your phone. High brightness drains your battery quickly and generates heat at the same time. This becomes even worse outdoors or in brightly lit rooms, where phones automatically push brightness to the maximum. Your phone isn't just lighting the screen. It's fighting to stay visible, and that costs energy. Third, poor signal strength. This one surprises most people. When your phone struggles to find a stable signal, it constantly increases antenna power to stay connected. That process silently heats your device, even if you're not actively using it. Bad signal areas, elevators, basements, rural zones, or moving vehicles can all trigger this. You don't see it. You don't feel it immediately, but your phone is working overtime. Fourth, heavy usage habits. Some habits push your phone harder than you think. Gaming, recording video calls, navigation apps, and especially, using your phone while charging. Charging already creates heat. Using the phone at the same time doubles the stress on both the processor and the battery. That's one of the fastest ways to damage battery health. Now the important part. What should you actually do? Let's keep this simple and realistic. First, close unused apps regularly. Not obsessively, but don't let dozens of apps run all day. Second, lower your screen brightness, or enable auto brightness. Your eyes will adjust. Your phone will thank you. Third, switch to Wi-Fi whenever possible instead of mobile data. Wi-Fi is more stable and usually uses less power. Fourth, avoid gaming or recording video while charging. If you need to use your phone, unplug it first. If your phone feels hot, remove the case for a few minutes. Cases trap heat, especially thick or rubber cases. Also, never leave your phone under direct sunlight, especially in cars. A hot car can permanently damage your battery in minutes. Another important step, keep your apps and system updated. Buggy software can cause apps to run endlessly in the background, overheating your phone without warning. And if your phone overheats frequently, even during light use, check your battery health. An aging battery produces more heat and becomes unstable over time. In many cases, replacing the battery gives the phone a second life. These changes may sound small, but together they make a huge difference. They protect your battery, keep performance stable, and extend your phone's lifespan by years, not months. Your phone overheating isn't random. It's a warning. Fix it early, and your phone will last much longer. And if you want more simple phone fixes that actually work, check out this channel.